Good morning, teacher. I am it and teacher Penny Valencia Alzate. Teaching practice workshop. How to learn words in English. When a word and with an consonant and the words that did begin and with and vowel. You had to learn, for example, it's a cold evening. It's cold evening. Speak English is speaking English. I live it. I live it. I live it. Buying see I buying it. You use it when the net when begins with vowel when it begins with an H. For example, an iPhone is an iPhone. An American. It's American. She's an American. He's an American. And her. And hers. And her. How. Link a consonant with the same consonant. For example, she speak Spanish is she speaking Spanish. Good day. Thank you, teacher.